Hey guys, it's Gabby. So today I'll be unboxing the Wings versions. Can't wait to open these and see what it looks like because I haven't seen any unboxing videos of these, besides of course what the photo cards look like. That you can't help but see. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open these up. With W first. I do know that their signature's on the back, so I'm just gonna look away. Alright, so let's go ahead and flip through this. So let me get the photo card. Okay, so I have the photo card under here, and I got Jin. I love how big these are. This is the signature on the back. Awesome. So we'll do I next. So again, I'll grab the photo card. And then let's look through this one. Okay, and the next photo card is... Oh, we got Namjoon. Happy I pulled one of my biases. Fingers crossed that the next two is Tae and JK, but we'll see. Well, let's go ahead and do version N now. Let's flip through this. Okay, and I got... Oh no, I got a dupe. We got Namjoon again. That's unfortunate, but we'll see what the last one is. So this is version G. Okay, let's flip through. Okay, last one, and it's... No! I can't believe I got 3. I was really hoping to pull someone else. Well, I guess I'll be on the hunt for the others. So these were my pulls for all 4 versions of Wings. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And if you are subscribed, don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified when I post my next video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!